Do, 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 do.
Hey, Mom.
Spinning. Are you being mixers? What are you making?
Cupcake.
Cupcakes. Yes. Ah, what do you have in there? What can you see?
Stomp.
No. What's inside the ingredients? What are the ingredients? Eggs.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower?
Yes.
No cauliflower. Maybe. You done? You already done? Okay. First you put them in and now press the button. And now you mix. You're doing it. You hold it. Why am I holding it? Hold it, hold it. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Cupcakes are mixing.
Oh my God.
Kylie, good job.
What's that?
That's awesome.
I'm holding on to.
Yeah? Look at that. It's looking amazing. What is that? That's applesauce, right? Applesauce, applesauce.
Apple poop.
Apple poop. Applesauce. This button.
That's it.
It's looking so good.
The pizza is pizza.
Okay. And now we're putting the flour in. Так. Shake it, shake it, shake a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake. Ooh, it's like snow falling. Great job, great job. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. It's gone. Look at that. Like snow falling. That's amazing. It's not easy. Putting these ones in. I only have 2 white ones, the funny one, funny looking, and the rest ones are Christmas style. Well, that's all I've got, but it's not Christmas, but we can still put them in. You ready to help? All right.
Yeah, we can enjoy some Christmas.
Yeah, we can enjoy Christmas. Take one at a time, not 10,000 at a time, okay? Yep, that's how it is. Fill all the holes. 1 and 2. Yeah. Okay, now they're ready. It's very hot. Let's open. And here we go. The yummy one. No, 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 no. Good. Yum, yum. The frosting. Good one.